Hello dear all, welcome to Sunday Education Academy. I am Santosh Wag. In this video, we will see question number 1 of exercise 8.3, chapter 8, comparing quantities, class 8 mathematics. So, let's start our video. See question number 1 of exercise 8.3, chapter 8, comparing quantities, class 8 mathematics. In question number 1, what is given? Calculate the amount and compound interest on. There are sub 5 questions are given. A is given rupees 10,800 for 3 years at 12.5% per annum compounded annually. Here, before calculating the amount and compound interest, now see, before calculating the amount and compound interest, we must know the formula for that amount. This is the formula: A equal to P into bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to N. Here A is the total amount, P is the principal, R is the rate of interest and N is the number of years. Rate of interest here is per annum. So for the first example, for A, what is given? Principal is given 10,800. So write here 10,800 in the bracket 1 plus R is given 12.5. If we convert this 12.5, how it comes? 12.5, it will come 12 into 2, 24 plus 1, 25 divided by 2. So write here 25 divided by 2 into this 100, 1 by 100, and bracket raised to N is for 3 years. This will be the equation. So solve this 10,800 into bracket 1 plus, that will be, if we solve this, we will get 25 divided by 200 bracket raised to 3. So that will be equal to 10,800 into, now see, 1 plus 25 divided by 200, that will be, take 200 common, 200 plus 25. These are the simple calculations, mathematical calculations. Then simplify these solutions. Bracket 200 plus 25, that is 225 divided by 200 raised to 3. That will be equal to 10,800 into, this is the 3 times, it is cube. So 225 divided by 200 into 225 divided by 200 into 225 divided by 200. If we solve this, we will get, so just simplify this, divide both by 25. We know if we divide 200 by 25, we get here 8, and if we divide 225 by 25, we get here 9. Similarly, here also 9, here also 8, here also 9, here also 8. Now again simplify this, divide 8 ones are 1 and divide this by 8, we get 8 ones are 1, 8 3s are 24, then 8 5s are 40 and 0 as it is. Again divide this by 2, we get here 4, and here I will write here 6 7 5. So equation will be 675 into 9 9 and 9 divided by 8, this 8 and this 4. If we solve this, we get 15,377.34. That will be in rupees. So this is amount. This is the amount. And what is asked? Calculate the amount and compound interest. So compound interest will be this principal. If we subtract principal from this amount, we will get the compound interest. So compound interest CI equal to A minus P. So what is the A? 15,377 minus 0.34 minus principal is 10,800. So it will be, if we subtract this, we get 4,577.34. that will be rupees, and this is the compound interest. Thus we got two values. This is the total amount and this is the compound interest. Now see the B part. Rupees 18,000, this is the principal given for 2.5 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. Here also we will do the same calculation. We know the formula, that is A equal to principal P into bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket raised to n. Now here P is given 18,000. Now into bracket 1 plus R. What is the R? Now see here, what is R is given? 10% is given. So I will write here 10 divided by 100 bracket is to n. I will write first 2. Here we are calculating for the first 2 years. So solve this. We will get 18,000 into bracket. This is a 1 0 will get cancelled. So take 10 common as denominator. 10 plus 1 bracket is to 2. Solve this. 18,000 into bracket 11 divided by 10. There is square, so we will write here one more 11 by 10. So if we solve this, this 0 will get cancelled, 2 zeros will get cancelled, and take multiplication, we get 21,780. that will be the rupees. Now this is the amount A1, that is the A1 amount for first 2 years. Now this will be the principal to calculate the interest, CI interest for the remaining half year. So we know for simple interest formula is very simple. What is the principal amount? 21,780. And what is the rate of interest? 10%, 10 divided by 100. And what is the duration? Here is only half year, because first we have considered 2 years. So here remaining will be half year. So this will be the formula. If we solve this, so this is the simple interest for half year, next half year. So if we add this, what is the first one? This is the first one, and add this interest. So we will get the total A is A1 plus this SI, that will be 21,780 plus 1089. So it will be 22,869 rupees. That will be the total amount. And what will be the CI interest? CI interest will be, this is the total amount to pay. So total amount, this 22,869 minus principal amount is 18,000. If we subtract, we get rupees 4,869. So these are our two answers. This is the first answer and this is the second answer. Now see the third question, C question. Rupees 62,500 for 1.5 year at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. Here half yearly is given, means if we write the formula here, A equal to p into 1 plus r divided by 100 raised to n. Here n will be, r will be the 50%, because here is given r is 8%, but for half yearly we must consider the 50% of interest. So r will be 8 divided by 2, that will be 4, and n will be, here see n, what is 1.5 year, means n will be every half year we must consider as a one round. So there will be n equal to 3. I am repeating, for 6 months we must consider as a one term. There will be 3 terms. 1.5 year means 3 terms of 6 months. So n will be 3. So make the calculation here. A equal to, P is given 62,500. Then into bracket 1 plus r, we must take here 4 divided by 100 and bracket raised to 3. Calculate this, we get 62,500 into bracket, take 100 as a common. Now see, 62,500 is the principal, then 1 into bracket 4 by 100. Here if we take 100 as a common, we must write here 100 plus 4 raised to 3. Solve this, 62,500, then 100 plus 4, that is 104 divided by 100, and it is for 3 times. So write here 104 divided by 100 and also 104 divided by 100. If we solve this, rupees 70,304. This is our total amount. And what will be the compound interest? Compound interest will be this total amount, 70,304 minus principal amount is 62,500. That will be rupees, if we take subtraction, 7804. That is the CR. So these are the two answers. First is amount this and compound interest. Now see the D part, rupees 8,000 for 1 year at 9% per annum compounded half yearly. Here also half yearly given, means there will be 2 terms for 1 year, and rate of interest must consider half of this 9%. So I will write here equation formula. A equal to P into bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to n. Here R will be 9 by 2 and n will be 2, because it is half yearly, and for 1 year n will be 2, and rate of interest 9%, means it will be 9 by 2 for half yearly. So put the values here. A equal to, P is given 8,000, in the bracket 1 plus R is 9 by 2, and this 100 as it is, bracket raised to n is 2. So simplify this, 8,000 into bracket 1 plus 9 divided by 200. So 8,000 bracket raised to 2, 8,000 into bracket 200, take common, right here 200 into 1, 200 plus 9 bracket raised to 2. Simplify 8,000 into bracket 209 divided by 200 bracket raised to 2, means multiply this term 2 times, 209 divided by 200. If we solve this, we get rupees 8736.2. This is the total amount. This is our first answer. And compound interest will be this amount minus principal. This amount is 8736.2 and principal amount is 8,000. So it will be 36.2 and it will be in rupees. So this is our compound interest. Thus we got two answers here. Now this is the last one. Rupees 10,000 for 1 year at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. Here also half yearly given, means n will be 2 for 1 year and rate of interest will get half. So I will write here formula. A equal to P into 1 P into bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to n. Here n is equal to 2 because it is half yearly and term is 1 year. For 1 year there are 2 half years. So n equal to 2 and rate of interest will get half of this 8%. This is 8%, so 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So put value of P is 10,000 into bracket 1 plus R is 4 and divided by 100, n is equal to 2. Just simplify this. 10,000 into bracket, take 100 common, 100 into 1 is 100 plus 4 bracket raised to 2 equal to 10,000 into bracket 100 plus 4, that is 104 divided by 100 and it is 2 times. So write this term 2 times. So simplify this. 2 0 will get cancelled. This 2 0 will get cancelled here. So just take multiplication of 104 into 104. We will get here rupees 10,816. So this is amount and this is our first answer. The next, compound interest is equal to this amount minus principal amount, that is 10,816 minus principal is 10,000. Subtraction will be 816, that is compound interest. So this is our second answer. This is all for this video. We will meet again in our next video. Do learn, do enjoy. Thank you.